the pee pads.
Oh my gosh. Talk in your voice. Talk in your voice. I love that accent on you.
Well, he shoot me when you accident at my volleyball.
You have 2 minutes to get that heated.
Oh, he got my cellular device. Bernie, give it. Mom, he won't give me my cellular device.
I don't got it, I swear.
Where's it at?
I don't know. I dropped it. Alright. It's on the
I
chest.
should go.
It's on the counter. Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
It is.
I got 2 minutes before I get deported. Be right back.
Deported.